Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to access ChatGPT with a VPN. ChatGPT isn't available everywhere, but you can still access it despite restrictions. While ChatGPT is now a mainstream AI tool, it isn't welcome everywhere. This AI chatbot has been banned in a number of countries, meaning residents cannot access it and make use of its features. But with VPN, using ChatGPT might not be such a challenge in such scenarios. So, can you access ChatGPT with a VPN? Of course. Follow the steps to do so. It's easy to access ChatGPT with a VPN, just like you would any other website. Once the VPN is active, you'll just need to log into ChatGPT and you're good to go. There are a few reasons why you might use ChatGPT with a VPN, including geographical bans, school and college restrictions, and general privacy, such as you may still want to use VPN as a general privacy and security layer while online. Accessing ChatGPT with a VPN is quick and simple and doesn't require much technical know-how. The general process is as follows. Create an account with a VPN provider of your choice. You can use NordVPN, ExpressVPN, but I am going to suggest you or recommend you IPVanish because it's the best VPN for me. Download the VPN's desktop after visiting the site. Choose which server or location you'd like to connect to. Turn on your VPN and head to the ChatGPT website. Sign up or log in if you have an account, and voila. There is a chance that your access to ChatGPT may be denied even if you got a VPN active. In this case, you're likely to see the page like, "Sorry, you have been blocked." If ChatGPT has blocked your VPN, consider clearing your cookies and cache, changing server locations, or restarting your browser. Because certain VPN providers have blocked ChatGPT access in the past, but with IPVanish, you can do it easily. There's no definitive list of VPNs that don't work with ChatGPT, as some work for certain users and don't work for others. However, there is many forums discussing which VPNs haven't been able to access ChatGPT if you'd like to learn more. But as I said, IPVanish is the best VPN to do so. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I will see you on the next one.